Hi guys, my name is Vix. I hope all you are well. My fifth video and the cross on the blog. Motley Fool Advisor. What is the Motley Fool Advisor? First of all, free investment, new letter sign up for free specificator digest. So simply first on the details with my audience. Motley Fool Stock Advisor. The Motley Fool flagship service stock advisor in online resources for stock research and recommendations for the new buys and experienced investor alike. The Motley Fool flagship services. Our analytics scour the world for campaigns we believe will offer long-term potential for investor. Using our research and analytics, building a portfolio that reflect your interest, budget and investment philosophy. Stock advice that beats the markets. Thousands of individual investors just like you have time and make money with Motley Fool Stock Advisor. A few of our 14 building stock picks. Image finding out about disruptive stock like these before mainstream investors. Try using Stock Advisor by clicking below official website and go through the all details, making the world smarter, happier and richer. Founding in 2003 by brothers Tom and David Gardner, the Motley Fool currently help over 1.7 million people attain financial freedom. So